All right, let's take a look at the top screen first. So in the setup, we want to lift the head, lift the eyes up so that you're looking through the bottom of your glasses, as Jack Nicklaus would say, just to allow for some more shoulder room as you're turning back. The other thing we noticed was on the backswing, so P1 is the setup, P2 is when the shaft is parallel to the ground, and you're very close to being where the club is in an optimal position as far as distance away here to your original shaft plane line, but we can see the relationship of the club head to the hands. The club head is inside of the hands, and we would like for the club head to be a little bit more in line with the hands on our way back. You can also see that the toe of the club is pointing straight up, and that means that it is slightly open. All right, so as we continue to take the club back, what we notice now is the spine angle. So put your attention now on the circle. So as we're taking the club back, we noticed our spine angle changing a bit. So we start straightening up a little. So our head has moved up and over a little bit. Beautiful shoulder turn, and you have a very nice move into the golf ball. We worked a little bit on the sequencing so that when we collect the golf ball, instead of the hips and the shoulders being square, facing the golf ball at the same time, we would like more clearance of the hips, and that means we're going to get off of the trail side a little bit sooner, and that's when we did the walk-through drill with the right foot with some practice swings. Now let's take a look at the bottom screen, and we have the head in our little tic-tac-toe square box here, as I like to say. Our goal on the backswing is to keep that head or spine angle within the center square. And you can see by the time we get to P2, which is shaft parallel to the earth, our head has moved over. And as we get to P3, which is 3 o'clock, you can see now that the head has moved over about halfway into the other square. As we take the club up to P4, you can see that then the head goes up above. So we've moved over to the right and up. This is where the head against the wall drill without a club will help. The other drill that you can do is you lean up against the door jamb, and you would keep that lead shoulder, your left shoulder, on the door jamb as you are turning back. Instead of moving your center of mass over, you can clearly see the center has moved over, and now you're over here on your right side. Remember, the pros keep 60 on the lead, 40 on the trail, okay? So all the way up to P4, which is the top of the swing. So keep weight forward, hands in, shoulder down, and the rest should take care of itself. Beautiful swing. Thank you.